Meant by atomic number. Atomic number is the number of protons. It is the number of the protons or electrons present in the nucleus of an atom. It is denoted by the Z. Atomic number Z is equal to number of protons equal to number of electrons. For hydrogen, Z is equal to 1 because in hydrogen only one proton is present in the nucleus. For carbon, carbon is Z6. Z means atomic number is 6 because carbon has 6 proton in the nucleus and 6 electron in the nucleus. Mass number. Mass number is defined as the sum of the total number of protons and neutrons. Total number of protons and neutrons is called mass number present in the nucleus of atom. Mass number is equal to number of proton plus number of neutron. Atomic number is equal to number of proton or number of electron only. Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutron, and we can also write this atomic number plus number of neutron because atomic number is the number of protons. Atomic number is the number of protons plus number of neutron is called mass number. And we will write down the symbol of the element just like this, chlorine, and atomic number 17 and mass number 35. For example, the mass number of the elements nitrogen is 14 and its atomic number is 7. Therefore, number of proton, if we count the nitrogen, then 7. Number 7 is the atomic number. Atomic number is 7 and atomic number 7 means number of proton is 7. Number of electron is also 7 and number of neutron is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number is 14 and atomic number is 7. 14 minus 7, 7. Now we will find out for the chlorine. Number of proton for chlorine is 17. Electron 17 and neutron mass number minus atomic number or number of proton. These are 18. 18 number neutron are present in the chlorine. This is for the chlorine. Now isotopes. Atom of the same element having same atomic number. Atom of the same element having same atomic number but different mass number. They have different mass number but same atomic number. We can take the example of the hydrogen. Hydrogen, if there is one proton and one electron, then it is called the protium. Second isotope is deuterium and third is tritium. Protium, deuterium and tritium. In protium, only one proton and one electron is present. In deuterium, one proton and one neutron is present and electron is 1. And in tritium, two neutron, one proton is present and one electron is also present. Other examples are carbon. Carbon C612 and C613, C614. These are the isotopes of carbon having the same atomic number but different mass number. In the hydrogen also same atomic number but mass number is different. Chlorine, we can take the example of chlorine 1735, 1737. Atomic number is both the same and mass number is different. These are the example of isotopes. Chemical properties of isotopes are the similar but their physical properties are different. Physical properties are different but chemical properties are similar. Application of isotopes. Isotopes of uranium. Uranium is used as a fuel in the nuclear reactor. And isotopes of cobalt is used to treatment of the cancer. An isotope of iodine is used to the treatment of goiter. Radioisotopes of carbon is used to determine the age of old specimens of wood and animal also. This technique is known as the carbon dating. Radioisotopes of the sodium is used for examining the circulation of blood in the body. Isobars. Atoms of the different element with different atomic number. Elements are different, but in isotopes elements were same. But here element also different and different atomic number, but mass number same is called isobars. Example, calcium and argon. Calcium 20 and 40, argon 18 and 40. Here both the elements are different and mass number same, but atomic number is different. Isobars have different physical and chemical properties. Thank you.